this video, we're going to show you how to correct a needle position error on your Meistergram PR-1500 machine. The needle position abnormal message is an error that happens on your machine when the needle case or head of the machine is not properly aligned to the needle plate. In order to correct this issue, simply remove the pop-up window by hitting the back button on the screen. Locate your needle position indicator. Next, locate the manual color change knob on the side of the machine. Slowly rotate the knob to the nearest needle position. Note, rotation could be either clockwise or counterclockwise depending on what position your needle case is resting. Once you've located the correct position, a number will come up next to the needle indicator. This indicates that our needle case is now properly aligned. To continue embroidering, simply press start. This concludes the video on how to correct the needle position error on your Meistergram PR-1500.